Okay, so good morning everyone. Today I stand before you with my friends to present our vision for creating a circular economy in JSW Steel. Our aim is to demonstrate how this transformation can lead to a more sustainable, cost effective, and environmentally responsible steel production process. So, first, let's start with a brief introduction. JSW Steel, a prominent steel manufacturing company based in India, it produces a range of products which includes hot rolled and cold rolled coils, galvanized products, color coated products, steel bars, rods, beams, and many more. But alongside these primary products, there are valuable byproducts and there are many raw materials used. The raw materials include iron ore, coal, limestone, scrap. The byproducts that are produced prominently includes slag, waste heat, and some gas emissions, where slag is the major one. Moving ahead, first, we will start with the slag processing. Approximately 10 to 15% of the slag is produced while the production of steel, which is a huge amount, and these slag need to be disposed properly or used in an efficient way to create an effective circular economy. Now, this some of the uses in which slag can be utilized is it is used in construction. It aggregates in we use slag in the concrete and road construction. It is used in agriculture, in which we convert it into agricultural fertilizers using some chemical processes. Um Cements and ceramics can also be produced using slag. Environmental remediations, it immobilizes the hazardous elements in soil and withstands slag. There are various methods used in slag processing. Our first is crushing and screening. Uh, it reduces slag into different size small aggregates for construction and road material. Magnetic separation. Here we recover the ferrous metals from slag and with the help of powerful magnets and then recycle them. Next is grinding and beneficiation. Refine slag into ground granulated blast furnace slags, which is known as GGBFS, for use in cements and concretes. Leaching and hydrometallurgy methods, chemical treatment, stabilization, thermal processes, cooling and solidification. These all are various methods through which slag processing can be done. Um, this is a very cost efficient method. Next is we talk about the economic viability and environmental impacts of the slag processing. Uh, Cost reduction, since we are using the byproducts in the manufacturing, these will pro- and they are reused and sold. Hence, the manufacturing cost is reduced and profit is gained. Revenue generation, the processed slag can be sold. As I said, the processed slag can be sold as valuable products, diversifying the income sources. Diversification, since these slag-based products are different from the original products that we manufacture, there will be a diversity in the products. Environmental reputation, slag is reduced as the byproducts, the waste production is reduced, and the amount of waste disposed to the environment will be lower. Compliance and sustainability, it helps to meet the environmental regulations. Competitive advantage, sustainability efforts can lead to competitive edge in market. Innovation opportunities, the various slag processing methods can be studied and research can be done in this field. Hence it creates research opportunities and development of employment. Waste reduction, processing reduces the waste disposal, resulting in saving. Now, the second major factor which contributes to the byproducts and waste production in steel production is waste heat. A high amount of heat is produced while uh, the production of steel during the forming processes. One of the technologies to utilize this heat is Seebeck effect. The most traditional way of heat removal is the use of coolant. Coolants are basically some chemical fluids which carry the heat from the material, and these coolants need to be disposed of later, which is which produces higher amount of waste. To counter this, a new technology has been developed named as TEG. TEG means thermoelectric generators, in which some solid state devices work on the principle of Seebeck effect. Seebeck effect basically converts the temperature gradient into voltage. um, that is, it converts thermal energy into electrical. This, since electrical energy can be stored and further easily utilized, hence this effect is very efficient. The technology is developed in many different fields. Its impact, now talking about the impact that it has on the environment, reduction in the use of coolants, thereby reducing the one of the waste factors. Coolants are one of the greater contributors to the waste production. In case of steel companies, these coolants are required in high amount and with high quality, and once used, they easily get contaminated and can't be used further again. Uh, which that is, they become a byproduct, a waste product. Also, with the help of Seebeck effect, with the help of TEGs, the energy can be used up, and that is, we produce some amount of energy, uh, which can be a mode of profit in the field, and hence the profit is made. And since the coolants are not used, any chemicals that are required to produce these coolants are not used, this technology is environment friendly. Also, the cost of coolants is reduced. Only cost that is required in this process is the installation cost of the devices, and even the maintenance is low. So, in overall, the TEGs are one of the evolving factor that may lead to efficient circular economy development in many companies, and not only the steel production. I highly feel that this uh, technology should be developed in most of the heat generating industries where coolants are required, where cooling is required in not only in the steel production but also in the compressors and valves and many other products. So that's all. In conclusion, we can say that our vision for creating a circular economy in JSW is not just as an environmental aspect, but it is also economically sound strategy that can boost competitiveness, diversify the revenue stream, and foster innovation. We are committed to responsible processing of byproducts like slag, embracing innovative technologies like TEGs to minimize waste, reduce cost, and enhance our development. So, thank you. That's all for today. We believe that by implementing these strategies, we can transform JSW into a model of sustainability, responsible business practices. We welcome any. Thank you so much.